Recently, Boeing completed the first flight of the GE90-115B powered 777-300ER aircraft. The GE90-115B engine was developed by GE Aircraft Engines exclusively for the 777-300ER. The GE90-115B engine delivers 115,000 pounds of takeoff thrust to the 300ER and represents the highest thrust jet engine in aviation history. Key certification testing was conducted at GE Aircraft Engines' outdoor test facility located near Peebles, Ohio.
Times 08:37, begin icing cloud.
Both to take off. 9:53.34 on point. Continue hailstorm for 30 seconds.
We'll turn on water flow of 1100 GPM. Water on. Times 06:37.48, burst to takeoff.
Seven calls echo, runway 30, wind calm, clear for takeoff.
Godspeed.
Welcome back, gentlemen.
Nice to be back.
Time is 23:57. We'll start transit 51:46. Accelerator triple red line. Accel now. Time is 00:01. On point, triple red line. Take ADS 187, engine log 211. Band 2617, core 11,321, EGT 2013.
Boeing and GE Aircraft Engines, developing products that reduce the size of the world with safety, comfort, and reliability.